Jobs that AI can never replace. Every day, another headline appears. AI is replacing workers. Robots are taking over. The future belongs to machines. It's enough to make anyone wonder. Will there still be a place for humans in the workforce? Artificial intelligence can already write articles, generate images, analyze contracts, translate languages, and even help write software. So, which jobs are actually safe? Is there any career that AI could never replace? The answer may surprise you, because the jobs most likely to survive aren't necessarily the ones requiring the highest IQ. They're the ones requiring something AI still struggles to replicate. Today, let's explore the careers that may remain deeply human, even in the age of artificial intelligence. Welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in artificial intelligence, future technology, psychology, and the future of work, you're in the right place. Every major technological revolution has changed the job market. Machines replaced much of the hardest physical labor. Computers automated countless office tasks. Now AI is transforming knowledge work. But history teaches us an important lesson. Technology rarely eliminates the need for people entirely. Instead, it changes which human abilities become most valuable. Let's explore the kinds of work that continue to depend on qualities machines cannot easily reproduce. Jobs built on human connection. Think about the people who have made the biggest difference in your life. A teacher who believed in you, a mentor who gave honest advice, a nurse who offered comfort during a difficult moment, a close friend who simply listened. These moments weren't meaningful because someone shared information. They mattered because another human genuinely connected with you. Empathy, compassion, trust, encouragement. These qualities are difficult to automate. AI can generate supportive words, but genuine relationships are built through shared experiences, understanding, and human presence. Professions centered on caring for people are likely to remain essential. Jobs requiring complex judgment. Some decisions don't have perfect answers. Imagine an emergency physician evaluating multiple patients at once, a judge interpreting a difficult legal case, a diplomat negotiating peace between nations, a business leader making decisions during an economic crisis. These situations involve uncertainty, incomplete information, ethical considerations, changing circumstances. AI can provide analysis and recommendations. But human judgment often requires balancing values, experience, and consequences that cannot be reduced to simple calculations. Creative work with meaning. AI can generate paintings, music, poetry, videos, and stories. But creativity isn't only about producing content. It's about expressing ideas shaped by personal experiences, emotions, culture, and imagination. A filmmaker tells stories inspired by life. A songwriter transforms heartbreak into music. An architect designs spaces that influence how people feel. AI can become a remarkable creative assistant, but meaning often comes from the human behind the work. The future of creativity may be collaboration, not competition. Skilled trades and hands-on professions. Many people assume office jobs are safer than physical work. Surprisingly, the opposite is often true. Electricians, plumbers, carpenters, mechanics, construction specialists. These professionals constantly adapt to unique environments. Every building is different. Every repair presents unexpected challenges. Robots perform extremely well in controlled environments. The real world, however, is messy and unpredictable. Hands-on problem-solving remains one of humanity's greatest strengths. Leadership and entrepreneurship. Great leaders don't simply manage tasks. They inspire people, resolve conflicts, build trust, create vision, and motivate teams through uncertainty. Entrepreneurs do something similar. They recognize opportunities that others overlook, take calculated risks, build relationships, and make difficult decisions without knowing the outcome. AI can analyze markets and generate business plans. But courage, responsibility, and leadership remain deeply human qualities. The future may belong to leaders who know how to combine human insight with intelligent technology. the most valuable skill of all. After exploring these careers, one pattern becomes clear. The safest job isn't defined by its title. It's defined by its adaptability. Technology changes, industries evolve, new careers appear while others disappear. The people who succeed are usually those who continue learning. They embrace change instead of resisting it. They learn new tools, develop new skills, and remain curious throughout their lives. Artificial intelligence is transforming the workplace. Some routine tasks will become increasingly automated. Others will become faster and easier with AI assistance. But work built on empathy, leadership, creativity, ethical judgment, hands-on problem-solving, and meaningful human relationships remains difficult to replace. The future isn't about competing with AI. It's about strengthening the qualities that make us uniquely human. So, which jobs can AI never replace? The honest answer is that no one can predict the future with complete certainty. Technology continues to evolve. Capabilities continue to improve. But history suggests something important. The greatest value has never come from doing routine work faster. It has come from solving meaningful problems, building trust, creating new ideas, helping other people, and making wise decisions when there are no easy answers. Artificial intelligence may transform how we work, but our humanity will continue to shape why we work. Perhaps the careers of tomorrow won't belong to those who know the most. They'll belong to those who combine knowledge with compassion, technology with wisdom, and innovation with purpose. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe for more conversations about artificial intelligence, psychology, future technology, and the changing world of work. Leave a comment below. If AI could do almost every technical task, what uniquely human skill do you think would become the most valuable? We'd love to hear your perspective. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.